All right, everyone. I usually hate FOMC days, but today was kind of a non-event, and they're becoming less and less of an event. And we went through several years where they weren't a big event, and then they became a big event, and now they're not so much anymore. Anyway, this is a watch list for is tomorrow Friday. Yeah, Friday, November 8th. Throw this up there for all the new faces in the room. If you're a new face, pause the video and read that good description of the room you've just joined. The SPY continues to just rip higher. So very, very impressive. New all-time highs again. Let me go over a couple things from chat today if you didn't make it. DXYZ doesn't look so pretty now, but I gave this idea out. Let's go to 5-minute candles. And I want to keep pre-market on there, right? So that's kind of what pre-market looked like. I gave the idea out that it was interesting for one of those early flushes down to our yellow line area, right? So let me pan back out again. And that's exactly what happened. It opened, I had a bid there. Not positive. I think I got filled at 2027. I'm not sure how low did this go. It went down to 2001. I got filled almost at the low, and my best sell was 26.47. So over $6 and like $6.40 was my best sell, somewhere around here. Anyway, a buy there and a sell there. That was a great way to start the day. That was a huge move. Love that play. Hopefully, I think some of you got it with me. I saw some celebrating going on. Anyway, let me get pre-market off there. And so that was my best trade of the day. I'm going to highlight a couple others and get to the watch list. BROS. Miguel gave a great call on this inside 5 right here. You had the opening candle, then the inside 5. His idea was over this candle, which also happened to be a half number inflection point, over 47.50. And it went pretty quickly to 50.24. Really nice call there, Miguel. Had an Amazon 5s buy zone. Another great call was LTBR right here through 9. Topped at 9 earlier. Kevin P. That space was kind of hot anyway. Kevin P. gave the idea through 9, and it went to over 10. On probably 20 cents risk, so $1 on 20 cents risk. Really nice call there. OKLO. Lou gave an entry on OKLO, a 5s buy zone pullback at around 24.50. So probably right about there. And you see what it did. It went to 27 something. That was a really nice call. And also, I think we also had a call by Kevin P on this one back through 26. So you had this cup and handle right here. So if you missed Lou's call, you got the 26 break, and you still got $1 move. Love the teamwork in there. Just love it. What else? Oh, had some late day calls. I think my favorite trade for myself this afternoon, I called IONQ, and I had pre-market on, so it's going to be a little bit different. But I called IONQ. I got it at 2090, looking at a green line play, which is right where my cursor is. And it went all the way up over 22.50 without even coming close to stopping out. So that was, even when you miss a huge move like this, playing those pullback plays in those correct areas, you can still have a nice little trade, right? Without ever feeling like you're chasing. Anyway, there's a few highlights. Let me go into what we're watching for tomorrow. All right, so FRSH, just a big breakout, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. WBD, kind of the same thing, closing off its highs though, but still trying to form a breakout there. PLTR it sold off, but then ended up going out near the high of the day. So as much as extended as that one is, I'm still going to have it on watch. Z, which is Zillow, broke out today. We're going to watch that for a follow-through day. PETS, which the last time I looked at this intraday, I think Sahil pointed out the strength in it. Then it just kept falling. I just took it off my radar, right? Didn't even look at it, and ended up getting back near the high of day. So we are going to watch. That's a big breakout. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. SOUN. Also kind of a nice breakout, right? Maybe a follow-through day there. That's in the AI space. At least it runs with the AI stocks. Okay, SMR, which is one of those baby nuclear plays, reported earnings and after hours. So this is the daily. It closed at 21.67, and after hours it went down below 21, and then all the way up to 22.75, which absolutely just exactly touched the most recent high. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 22. So in other words, after earnings, it held up well. So I definitely want to watch it tomorrow, which means we also want to watch OKLO. It was already on watch because I like this big pop today, and you still have a recent high above. But with SMR holding up nicely in after hours, that was kind of the possible glitch, is if SMR got killed in after hours. So we definitely want to watch this one too. And then the whole trifecta, all three of them that we watch are going back on watch. And NNE also curling back up. By the way, IONQ. Hold on, I'm looking at my list. For some reason, I don't have IONQ on there, so I had to throw that on there. I meant to. IONQ is in the quantum computing space, and so sympathy plays could be worth watching. And this is one I found is QUBT. Nice volume. You still have a recent high above. Hang on. Oh, I think I already mentioned. Did I already mention? I might have already mentioned IONQ. I'm not sure. If I didn't, I'm mentioning it now. All right, so there's the big breakout in that one. If I mentioned it twice in this video, it's been a long day. I got a lot of symbols dancing around in my head. And let's look at Lunar, LUNR, which back here topped at 985. Today broke through that, but then closed below it. Still an interesting, strong daily chart. And then potential gappers tomorrow would be Toast, T-O-S-T. All right, there's the daily. Closed at 32.67. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 37.50. So had a big pop in after hours. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. LICY. Interesting daily anyway, right? Back through 4, but it's gapping in after hours. It's trading at 544 right now, so all the way up here. So news after hours, we're going to watch that one. PRCH, another one that I probably would have had on watch anyway, had the nice pop and now kind of flagging. But it's gapping up right now. It's trading at 267. And then I'm going to throw DJT on watch. I'm going to put it on bounce watch. Obviously, it was crazy in play going into the election. Then we had election day and it sold off for a couple days. I'm not in love with the chart here, but it's one of those, because of the name and the environment, we might get a gap down bounce play setup or something. You know, so I'm gonna treat it like a bounce play, and we'll see if we get a setup in it. And that's it for me. I will see everybody in chat in the morning. Hopefully, we'll have some of you log in early and help me in the pre-market build a gapper list as well. All right, see you tomorrow.